You've got this.
Okay.
Rina, I know Skylar is the one for you from seeing you grow together. You found someone who makes you laugh as hard as you make everyone else laugh. Someone who lets you be passenger princess no matter the distance. Someone who you've let really see you, even when it's awkward. Someone who holds space for your big feelings, even when it's uncomfortable. Someone who keeps you pushing forward when you're the least strong version of yourself, even though you're always the strongest person I know. Someone who brings you love, support, and all of your favorite snacks when you're hangry. May our marriage be filled with love, ease, and a lifetime of inside jokes. And Skylar, may you have just as much fun growing old with her as I have growing up with her.
Crying just thinking about you. My beautiful girl. Oh my god. Wow. My beautiful. Yeah, of course. This dress is so extra.
I know. That's why it has sleeves.
I know it does. I knew you got the sleeves. I knew.
Isn't it so pretty?
Oh my gosh.
Rina, you have the most patience for his weird quirks and many hobbies, and we all know how lucky that makes Skylar. We need a witness to our lives. There's 1 billion people on the planet. I mean, what does one life really mean? But in marriage, you're promising to care about everything. The good things, the bad things, the terrible things, the mundane things. All of it, all the time, every day. You're saying your life will not go unnoticed because I will notice it. Your life will not go unwitnessed because I will be your witness. Skylar and Rina, for 2 decades, I've been a witness to Skylar's life. But today, I get to witness the start of a new chapter, where you become witnesses to each other's lives. I couldn't be happier for you both. Please, let's raise our glass to the happy couple.
Rina, what a journey it has been. When I first met you, I was just trying out online dating as a way to break out of my comfort zone. I went into it unhopeful, and to think you were my first online dating date and somehow my last. At the time, I didn't know this to be the case. Our love was not at first sight, but something that has blossomed over time. In this time, you've become my best friend and the love of my life. You have and continue to push me to be a better version of myself. Your patience with me has been so incredible. I can't imagine anyone else who would sit there watching me not eat my lunch at a restaurant I suggested we go to and then give me a second chance. It's his patience with me that has continued to allow me to break out of my comfort zone, where I've been able to experience international travel, new cuisines, cohabitation, and so much more. 9 years ago, I had no idea what I wanted or where our relationship would go, but when I stand here today in front of you, I can't imagine my life without you. You are so smart and inspiring. You are so kind and compassionate. You have the most infectious laugh and smile that lights up my world. You are truly the most incredible person I have ever met. I feel so lucky to love you and be loved by you. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together.
Skylar, From the moment we met 9 years ago, I knew my world had shifted. You've become my best friend, my greatest love, and most importantly, you've taught me that home is not a place, but a person. We've gone from dates where food was barely touched to enjoying feasts at Michelin spots, from being hours apart that 1 year to asking, when are you coming home? Through it all, I always pictured this day knowing it would come. Today, I stand here with you with every version of myself. The child who dreamt of being understood, the young adult who feared of being too much or not enough, and now the woman who undoubtedly knows what it means to be loved unconditionally. You've encompassed what I've always dreamed of wanting in life, to love and be loved. This life we've built, you, me, and Emmy, is bigger and better than I could ever imagine. You are my past, present, and future. Today, I choose you, not just for this moment, not just for this life, but for everything that comes after. You are my once in a lifetime, my forever and always.
Before I moved to the Caribbean, I met Rina. It's a girlfriend and you meet them and, I wasn't so sure and everything. But then they came down to visit me in the Caribbean and I realized that they were great for each other, truly in love. Their laughter, their enthusiasm for adventure, sharing their passion, experimenting with food, they were really in tune with each other. Thank you, Rina, for bringing so much happiness and love to my son's life. Thank you, Laura and Fong, for such a beautiful daughter.
So please now all raise your glass and toast Skylar and Rina.
Skylar and Rina.
Bố mẹ con gái yêu thương ai thì bố mẹ cũng chiều theo, thì bố mẹ không phải ép buộc. Dạ. Cuộc sống của con phải cuộc sống của bố mẹ, thành thử ra cái là con sao bố mẹ vậy. Thì hôm nay là bố mẹ đứng trên đây rất vui mừng và được hân hạnh chào đón hai con vào thành viên Skylar là thành viên mới trong gia đình, rất là hạnh phúc cho gia đình của bố mẹ. Sau cùng chúc cho mọi người được vui vẻ và nhiều sức khỏe, an khang và hạnh phúc. Xin chân thành cảm ơn.
That's the end. Okay. I did really good at transitioning.
You did?
Yeah, I worked really hard on that for 2 hours yesterday.
Maybe I shouldn't have gone last.
Yeah. Whew.
Oh God.